So I'll start sharing my screen. Let me know you're able to see my screen.
Yes, I can see.
Great. So yesterday we discussed like how to create a DP document type and how this document determination procedure works. So all those things, right? So today we'll execute one by one scenario. Maintain document type determination procedure. So here, yesterday till now, we have also done our own document type determination processor for PO 7 a.m. So this one will write a notes, then we'll start. So go to
Hello, Ram. What you shared the recordings,
hmm,
is there any expiry date to exist the recordings in the Google Drive?
it will be like 2 months. You will have this in that.
Okay, okay. But whether I can download, it will not expire, means those can keep with my file, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So here, click on new entries, provide sequence number. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just try to create a DP. So we have instead of OCR now itself, so I'll use a tool to capture the data. So then I will explain later like how, what you can say. Yeah. So now I'll just take normal data and explain all these things. Then once we are doing this channels configuration, right? So that time I'll explain you the ICC configuration end to end, how the extraction is happening as I shown in the demo, and the BCC configuration, separate business center configuration, that how it is happening. So everything will take as a separate. Okay, so just base configurations, how it is working, the explanation will goes in that way. So here what I'll do, we go to test application. So I'm just before going to that, so I'll just create a PO 21N. So document overview on purchase orders. So this is the PO and sorry, material code. We have this much quantity. So then delivery date is, yeah, so delivery date also I've given. So just let me create a PO. So we created this PO. Let's say goods receipt is done. We'll do some goods receipt. Click on OK. So I'm doing a GR here. So this is a PO. Yes, there is a material document which is created over here. So you can see the material document. So now the invoice. So the supplier sent an invoice copy. So how we will do that? So what I'll do, I'll just go to the tool 7AX2. So here instead of OCR extracting the data, we are just giving manually to test our application configuration. So reference number, I'll give one with starting with 7 a.m. and another one without 7 a.m. Okay, simply I'll create two documents. Dummy invoice I need, a WordPress invoice, and other one same PO but reference number I'll give whatever. So what will happen, I'll show you 553 552. So I'll go to VA2, 553 552.
Ram, you created those DPs at what T code?
7AX2 here /opt/vim 7AX2. Okay, so I will write it down here, no worries. To test the application, go to transaction code, to provide data manually, then DP will be created. Start testing. So if you see here 553, it went to the role approc_m, but the DP document type, where it went, under which DP document type which is created. Let me check one by one. Where is, yeah, ZPO75. It went to ZPO75, and 552 it went to ZPO 7 a.m. Based on what logic this DP document is went to different and this document is different. So the logic here is like, if you see, go to /opt/spro document determination procedure. So this is the major one. Okay, document determination procedure. So in this, every DP document, whenever it is created, it will go from the scratch, from this one to this one, up to, means wherever it is satisfied, each one of this particular one, it will be checked. So first, let's say new document 552 is created. So what it will do first, what it will do, whenever a new DP came here, it will go this one, first one, and go to the step details. First one, PO related or not? Yes, it is PO related. We have a PO number. First condition is satisfied. And next is country specific values, means country code is star or not? Yes, we have a country code star, because we do not have anything empty. Empty also comes under star. Okay, next. So reference number should start from RAM, but here we do not have that. So it is started with 7 a.m. So what happened? This condition is failed. So when this condition is failed, what it will do? It will come out.
Hello, Ram. I cannot hear you.
You're able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, so what I'm saying is like, so first each document, each DP document number data with the data, it will go here. Here only the DP document determination will happen. Means the scanned invoice is a PO or scanned invoice is a non-PO, and in different conditions. So first document, let's say 552 will go to under these conditions. So what will happen if I go inside? First condition, PO related or not? Yeah, PO related, it is passed. Second condition, country is star or not? Yes. Here company code country is star, so there is no issue. And XBLNR, nothing but a reference number, should start with RAM. Okay, it's not started with RAM, so it will come out, it will go back, and it will go into the next one, step details. Under this also, it is PO related or not? Yes, it is PO related. So characteristic value is star or not? Nothing but your country, company code country is space also included in star. Okay, next. So your reference number is started with 7 a.m. or not? Yes, it is started with 7 a.m. Then it will go, it will consider, means all conditions are satisfied. So this DP will go and it will check for this logic, means it will go into this DP document type. Okay, so under DP document type configuration, so ZPO 7 a.m. So it will come here directly it will come here. So it will check the condition here. Okay, for this business rule, invalid company code. What is the logic? So T001 bookers. So there is no empty record in this table. So the business rule is triggered. Okay, if this business rule is triggered, what is the role which is assigned to this business rule? So it will go in depth. So next, so against 500, whatever role which is assigned, then it will go to that role. So this role, so who is the user which having in this role? So that, so here ZVim, so GVim1. So under GVim1, if you see here, your user, so here you can see role is GVim APS7 GVim1. The business rule is invalid company code. So this is how it will check and the workflow will be triggered. Let's say we'll take this one. So 553. So this also, like, again it will go to first step, it will go to your document determination procedure. So it will check all the conditions what we have. So here, also this invoice is PO based or not? Yes, it is PO based, and star value is there, but here reference number is something different, so it is failed. What it will do, it will come out and it will go inside again this one. So like this, it will check all the conditions. This also fail. So next, up to where it will come. So what is a DP document type, which is ZPO75. So why it is took, it failed all the conditions, but at last, like in default configuration in SM30, so they have made it this particular DP document type as the default one, nothing but default DP document type. See here, default DP document type, they made it as default DP document type, they made it as ZPO75. Means it will check all these things. If it is failed, means everything is failed, then it will come to this configuration. What is a default DP document type? the workflow will again go to that. You're getting, guys? You understand how this DP document type determination is happening?
That means every condition is failing at that characteristics reference number and PO reference, then checking here, right?
Yeah, if all conditions are failed here, then it will check here.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the gconst table. So here all the constants we will maintain as part of VIM. So if you want to do some customizations, those also plugins will be available here. So basically this is a
Ram, it can happen that there's no default document type in the system.
no, it cannot. So standard itself means standard configuration itself provide you PO75. So this PO75 will be there here instead of ZPO75. If you give this one as also empty, then system will not do anything basically. But see, always there is a chance, right? So here we are giving a reference number. We should not give actually in real time. Why we are giving here? Because if I am working and you are working and others working, if they do not have proper logic in place, so their workflow will not trigger, right? So that is a main purpose actually. So that is the reason we are giving our own reference number in this particular test system. But in realistic scenario, you will not give any reference number based restriction. So what will happen even though it is PO is not there, it will go. PO is there and this star is there, then it will go. So there is no nothing that if it is missed here, let's say PO is not extracted, at least it will go into the non-PO. At least it will go into the non-PO. Non-PO just simply star will be there. Star means any value. See, so I'm not active. The DP is not active in the DP configuration, so that is the reason it not went actually. So like that, you understand, right? So first, you understand this DP document determination procedure, how it is, it means segregating.
So all DP document type maintained as a default document type at that table.
No, 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 no. See, don't confuse. Initially, it will come here. It will check the logic. If it is satisfied, then it will go and sit in that particular DP document type configuration. Let's say all these conditions are failed, then only it will go to this particular configuration. You're getting?
Yeah, here that I'm asking here all DP type maintained as default document type.
No, 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 no. It's not maintained. Here, this is just they given standard DP document types. It's not default. Default is only one DP document type. Any one. Only one can maintain.
Okay.
These are the standard DP document types which OpenText is presenting. So down payment standard DP document type, non-PO standard DP document type, and PO standard DP document type. They are just representing there. That's it. So you can see here text you can read, right? Default
Yeah.
DP document type, right?
So then here default DP document type not maintained here, then workflow cannot trigger, right?
Yeah, nothing will happen.
Okay.
Okay. So first thing is forgot about that. This is main one. Okay, if the document determination procedure is nothing but whether the given condition is a PO or non-PO, it will be decided here. That you are clear?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So least bother about that one, because it's a very 1000% rare case that these conditions are failing. I'm not saying 100%, I'm saying 1000%. Okay, so next, so once the DP document type determination is DP document type is selected, then what it will do, it will go to your DP document type. So we'll take 552 here. So it is selected your DP document type, and what it will do, it will all directly go to business rule exception. So directly, so that particular DP document type, it will go and check the configuration first of all. So here 7 a.m. So directly it will go here. It will go here and it will check this exception against that whatever logic we assign, whether that is correct or not. So here I'll just go to T001. So here company code empty company code it is trying equal to space. See, there is no company code, empty company code. So that is the reason business rule is triggering the workflow to the consent role. So role where we configure this role. Against this, in the process type configuration, we have done against 500 what is the role which we need to send. So this is what, right? Initial actor. Okay, so this is the invalid company code like this. So it will send to this particular role. So now we'll log into that role, nothing but that user. Where to log in? /opt/vim workplace.